day of the series 30-day challenge, and today's question is, how can I describe my favorite hobby or interest using vivid language? Well, my favorite hobby is reading book, and I'm going to share with you why I love reading books, or I can say why I am crazy about reading books. So when I open my book, it's like stepping into a new whole world every time. The words on the page jump out at me and paint a picture in my mind of faraway places, exciting adventures. I get so excited turning each page, never knowing what's coming next. Whether it's solving any mysteries, exploring any places, and the rush of romance, each book takes me on an incredible journey that I never want to end. And let me tell you one more thing, it's not just about the stories, it's about the feeling, the emotion they evoke, and the lesson they teach me. While reading book, I cry, I laugh, I feel everything right along with the characters. So if you are wondered about that why I am always nose deep passionate about the book, just pick up a book and dive in. Trust me, once you experience the magic of reading book, you will never want to put that book down.